after we're done with our finished UI, we're gonna go and create our Gameover UI, which is gonna be a bit more complicated. I mean, not complicated, but it's gonna have more components, more text. So just add a UI image onto our game UI, stretch it out, make the color black, and make here 90, same as we did for the finished UI. Now just rename it from finish UI to Gameover UI, like this, Gameover UI, and we can start adding components in. The first component that we're gonna add will be like the title. So let's add the text, which is gonna say Game Over, Game Over, and this one will be located at the top. So I'm gonna make it top stretch like this. And I'm gonna make it a bit bigger when it comes to the height, so something like this. Actually, I'm just gonna take it so we don't move the position. After that, I'm gonna make it middle. The font size off of it, I mean the color first will be white, and the font size off of it will be like 95, and we cannot see it until now. So here we go, we have Game Over, but the actual position off of it will not be here. It'll be somewhere around -450, something like this, which we're gonna say title. And I forgot to remove my caps lock, so title, maybe a bit above, like this will work, title. Then we need our score, title text. So I'm just gonna copy this, put it below. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, like 70. And I'm gonna rename this from score title, from Game Over to score. And then these had this, it's not a semicolon, but the colon, score with capitals. And this will be our initial score. So let me rename this to score, score title text. Then duplicate it, and the next number will be our number. So, and first of all, I will change this to the middle. Both of these anchors will be in the middle because they're kind of in the middle, not on the top. This will say the score, this will say how much score we got. So like the number I'm gonna put here will be kind of 8. And both of these, all 3 of these will have the outline. I forgot to add that, so add outline. As for the score number, I'm gonna just reposition it, and I'm gonna make it a tiny bit bigger. It's not tiny, but I'm gonna make it bigger. So like 95, it's working pretty good. And I might as well put my score to be bigger as well. So after we are done with that, after we add the score and the score text, I'm just gonna rename this from title to number. So number, score, number, text. And we're gonna do the exact same thing, but for the best score. So duplicate these, position them here. For the score, just say best and then colon. As for the best score, I'm gonna say here, for example, 100. Then 100, and I'm gonna position it. It's in the middle. If I add like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something is not correct. So let me see. This is fine, I think. So let me add more numbers to it. Boom, 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 boom. It's cool. But for this one, I am gonna make it a bit more inside. So if it's 8, it's here, 9, yeah, it's cool. So a bit more inside, so we have like the same thing. So in the middle of the score and in the middle of the best, we have the same, I'm not gonna say anchors, but at the same line. But what's the thing with our best score is they're gonna be black, but their outline will be white. Like that's the only difference that we're gonna have, and I'm gonna pump the outline a bit. I'm gonna pump it up. So here we have score and our best score. Now let me reposition them a bit till I see what's fitting for my eyes. So something like this should work. I'm fine with it. And then change this score to best. So best score, and then here we're gonna have the best score number text, so we can differentiate them, so we can know what's what. And the last but not least, what are we actually gonna add will be our not the title, but tap to play that we have, but it's gonna be onto the bottom stretch. repositioned up, not there, but up. Can I do it upwards? T, like this, hold on, alternative key, middle, and I'm gonna say here, touch to restart, make it white, and just increase in the font size. So touch to restart, and this is cool, maybe 75, yeah, 75 should do it. And like touch to restart, we have the game over title, which is here. The score number text, I do think it's fine. I'm gonna position this below, right where our touch to play is. And I might as well reposition my best score number text. I'm gonna make it a bit down here, so -1 to 183. As for the best score text, I'm gonna make it -69. As for the score number text, it's gonna be 135. Score number text, am I right? Yep. And the score title text will be positioned at 249. And for my title, it's gonna be at -448. Now these are my initial values that I use for my game, so I might as well use them here. If you would like to change something, you please do. If you don't like the position of anything here, you just can do your own thing and position them wherever you want. But it was this simple to add the game UI. So beam, boom, deactivate, and we can go on and proceed to other things to do. So yeah guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you like it, even though it was just adding values and me telling you where to position stuff. The best thing you can do is just download my whole project and then just copy the numbers or copy the things I do and do them on your own, because this is easy stuff to do. And yeah, that will be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.